Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here. Today we'll discuss regarding how you can load your chart layouts, whatever layouts you have saved on your mobile application or your system. How you can load your charts, how you can find them and apply on the chart. Actually, this is the new interface. TradingView means before it was like different, and now the whole settings they have changed. It's a new updated version application, so all the settings has been changed for settings. So once this is the normal application which I opened, TradingView application. So how, where you can find the saved layouts, where you can save the layouts, where you can delete the layouts, rename the layouts, we'll discuss step by step. So guys, you can see here bottom there is a pencil symbol, and near that it is a setting symbol, right? You have to click on setting symbol, right? Here you can see the new updated version of the TradingView application. So if you do not have any layout, if you do not have saved any layout, so you will find here, this is, you can find Akar index, that is my own setup, my own layout. If you have not saved any layout, you will find there unnamed, right? Once you, it's a drop down, right? You can see here drop down menu is there, right? Once you click on drop down menu, so if you want, if you have already saved the layout, you can click on load. Once you click on load, the pre layout saved whatever you have done, that will be come on the chart. If you are new, if you want to save your layout, fresh layout, then you can apply whatever indicators you want to apply on the chart, and you can click on this save button. Once you click on save, the layout will be saved, and they will ask for your name, right? What name you have to save this layout. Okay, after saving, you can find in the load section. Once you click on load section, you will find actually I have premium version of the TradingView, so I have multiple layouts saved, right? So if you have free TradingView account, TradingView allow single layout save option, so you can select whatever your layout is there. So let's say example, I want to select this Akar Forex. Once I click on this Akar Forex, the Akar Forex layout will be come on the chart, and all the indicators which I applied for that specific layout will become on the chart, right? So I hope it's clear. And if you want if you want to change the layout, again you can click on settings, then go to the load layout. Suppose I want to click on Akar index, my save layout another, so you can shift the layout as well. You can see I have shifted to the new layout, BTC 1 day chart. This is my another save layout. Okay, so by this you can change the layout, save the layout, and load the layout. If you want to rename the specific layout, currently it's Akar index, if you want to rename, you can click on rename and change the name as per your requirement. Okay, and if you want to share this specific layout, you can just click on sharing, and share link will be generated. You can share that link to your friends or colleagues. Okay, I hope it's clear, and still if you have any confusion, you can call me on my direct number. My number you will get in the description. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot.